Hey, welcome back to Tomb Raider Games Hub. This is the second recording of the new epic Adeptus Titanicus scenery board we're going to be making. We made a map on the last video of what we were going to do. We've altered it a bit, but we've had to decide on what we're actually going to do and how we're going to design the board. We decided what we'd do is we would take all the scenery and embed it in on separate sheets. So as you can see, we've got some stuff down here that we're going to use, but we'll make it out to nice terrain and we'll embed it into the scenery. We'll cut out the scenery board at a kingspan and embed it in. Now the roads themselves will remain part of the scenery, the whole board sort of thing. So we'll embed them in once they've all been done up and put into place. What we're going to do with the buildings is we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to use the same type of material, put the buildings on them, glue them on, paint them up, do the terrain, scenery around it, and then cut out the areas where they're going on the board. So it's embedded in, but we won't glue them down. We'll leave them in place, but we can take them out for transport sort of thing. What we've also done is we've made sure that the roads, the main roads of what we're going to do on it, are fitting at least the Adeptus Titanicus Titan template. So there's a bit of good room at each side, and obviously there'll be more room because they round about the buildings and stuff like that. So we'll be doing that. The layout we've went for so far is we've used bits and pieces, so different materials. As I said the last time, this is from a henny hoover, so we'll embed that in on a sheet, the white sheeting we've got. Excuse me. We're also going to use some of the old epic buildings, but what we're doing is we're going to rescale them. We've found that if you cut away along a bit of trim at the top and the bottom, like this one here, it's very near the scale of a second-storey building of a new bits of scenery, new buildings you get in the kit. So we're going to use a variety of different things to place down. It's all got to be fixed up, painted, embedded. There's a main road to go right through the section to be added on. There's quite a bit to be done, to be honest with you, but it's going to take us a few weeks, but we'll get there. So over the next day or two, what we're going to be doing is finishing off putting the road in place, cutting out all the embedding to see where it's going to go, see where it's going to sit, and then we'll decorate it all and do it up and see how it looks. So thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be back in the next few days with a live video of us doing all this, the embedding, and we'll take it from there. Thanks very much.